Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily delete status in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write your comments and subscribe to this channel. So friends, let us get started with you. And first of all, please open the WhatsApp app. And then on the bottom left, go to this option. And when you get to your WhatsApp page, you'll need to click here where it says My Status. Here you will see all the active statuses you have. And to delete them, you need to do literally one very simple move. To do that, you'll need to click on these three dots and select Delete. Then just confirm your action. And as you can see, instantly the status in WhatsApp has been deleted. Dear friends, here is such a very quick and simple method you can delete status in WhatsApp app on your device. I really hope that this video was useful to you, that it helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, be sure to comment and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.